Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I am pursuing my first year of engineering in cybersecurity from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let's continue with the topic polymorphism and inheritance in Python. So, let's start with polymorphism in Python. The literal meaning of polymorphism is a condition of occurrence in different forms. Polymorphism is a very important concept in programming. It refers to the use of a single type entity, method, operator, or object to represent different types in different scenarios. Let's take an example, that is polymorphism in addition operator. We know that the plus operator is used extensively in Python programs, but it does not have a single usage. For integer data types, plus operator is used to perform arithmetic addition operation. If number 1 is equal to 1 and if number 2 is equal to 2, then print number 1 plus number 2. Hence, the above program will give the output as 3. Similarly, for string data types, plus operator is used to perform concatenation. If string 1 is equal to Python and string 2 is equal to programming, then print string 1 plus open and close double inverted commas plus string 2. The open and close double inverted commas will provide the space between string 1 and string 2. As a result, the above program's output will be Python programming. Here, we see that a single operator plus has been used to carry out different operations for distinct data types. This is one of the most simple occurrences of polymorphism in Python. Coming to polymorphism with class methods. The code shows how Python can use two different class types in the same way. We create a for loop that iterates through a tuple of objects, then call the method without being concerned about which class type each object is. We assume that these methods actually exist in each class. Here is the example for polymorphism with class methods. Let's start with polymorphism with inheritance. In Python polymorphism, let us define methods in the child class that have the same names as the method in the parent class. In inheritance, the child class inherits the methods from the parent class. However, it is possible to modify a method in a child class that has been inherited from the parent class. This is particularly useful in cases where the method inherited from the parent class doesn't fit the child class. In such cases, we re-implement the method in the child class. This process of re-implementing a method in a child class is known as method overriding. Coming to polymorphism with a function and objects. We can create polymorphism with a function that can take any object as a parameter and execute its method without checking its class type. Using this, we can call object actions using the same function instead of repeating method calls. Polymorphism in built-in methods. The word polymorphism is taken from the Greek word poly, many, and morphism forms. It means a method can process object differently depending on the class type or data type. The built-in function reversed object returns the iterable by reversing the given object. For example, if you pass a string to it, it will reverse it, but if you pass a list of strings to it, it will return the iterable by reversing the order of element. It will not reverse the individual string. Inheritance in Python. One of the core concepts in object oriented programming languages is inheritance. It is a mechanism that allows you to create a hierarchy of classes that share a set of properties and methods by deriving a class from another class. Inheritance is the capability of one class to derive or inherit the properties from another class. Benefits of inheritance. Inheritance allows you to inherit the properties of a class, base class to another, that is, derived class. The benefits of inheritance in Python are as follows. It represents real world relationships well. It provides the reusability of a code. We don't have to write the same code again and again. Also, it allows us to add more features to a class without modifying it. It is transitive in nature, which means that if class B inherits from class A, then all the subclasses of B would automatically inherit from class A. Inheritance offers a simple, understandable model structure. Less development and maintenance expenses result from an inheritance. And that's all about today's topic. Thank you.